There you are. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a very quick update video. As you can see, all of the floor up to this point is done, and I am starting to run my 1x1 over the rear notch. Progress is going good. Finally was able to get out here for a little bit over the weekend. It was Easter weekend, still had to spend time with the kids and the family, but progress has been made. Very happy. We got floors finally. Probably the next video will cover all this 1x1 and the rest of this flooring. Probably just a lot of quick time lapse and a lot of shenanigans. So after I get all the 1x1 and sheet metal down, we'll go ahead and get all the floors seam sealed and the undercoating done, the rust preventative on the bottom of the sheet metal and everything, get all that done and accomplished. And heat shields. And then from that point, we're gonna start prepping to get our air management together. Get our air tank back here, get it painted and get it installed, get the other air tanks installed in the saddles there, batteries installed, compressors. Going to put the generic wall up for the partition wall. It's actually going to go right about here. Yeah, right here. Somewhere near. You can actually see right there's where the partition wall used to be. So put the partition wall there. The inside, the forward side of the partition wall will install it, so that way I have a place to like mount my air management and some fuse holders and stuff like that. And then once all that's done, we get the windshield and everything done, we'll start doing the actual detailed interior, and we'll do this side of the partition wall all done up real nice and pretty. But yeah, just a little update, just a couple quick 5-10 minute video. Probably won't even be 10 minutes. I might throw a time lapse or two in of me buzzing that floor in. I don't know, something silly. And yeah, just reminding everybody that I am making progress here. It is that time of the year where I'm launching boats all day. It's busier than you know what at work right now. Everybody wants their boat in the water, so it's understandable. Warm weather's coming. So it's hard to get out here and actually spend more than an hour or two an evening getting stuff done. So hopefully the next big video will be cool. We'll see a lot more progress. Once the air management's in, we will we'll be that much closer to actually being able to drive this car. We get this flooring done, air management, and I just might sneak it out of the garage for a little trip around the block. Might have to do a little something with the wiring first, though. We're gonna need tail lights. Yeah, that's it for right now. Just a quick update, showing off the rest of the floor here and showing that I am starting to make some progress. You see my little angle finder right there. This will actually right about, oh, let's see here. I'm bad at this game. Yeah, right about there. That will drop straight down and then come straight forward to this piece right here. And that'll start the bucket, so to speak, for the back seat. And our air tank will sit up on top of that. Should look pretty darn good when it's all said and done. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I know this isn't much to like or any reason to subscribe in this video. It's only 5 minutes, but like I said, just a little update. Thanks for tuning in. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video.